Craft your own herbal bitters, a step-by-step guide. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to make your very own herbal bitters, packed with flavor and health benefits. So let's get started. Step 1. Gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of high-proof alcohol, like vodka or bourbon. Then, select your favorite herbs and spices. Step 2. Measure out your herbs. Choose from options like gentian root, orange peel, cinnamon, and cardamom. The possibilities are endless. Step 3. Blend your ingredients. Combine the measured herbs and spices into a jar. Pour the alcohol over them. Make sure they're fully submerged for maximum extraction. Step 4. Seal and shake. Tightly close the jar and shake vigorously. This will help release the flavors and essential oils from the herbs. Step 5. Infuse. Store your jar in a cool, dark place for at least 2 weeks. This will allow the flavors to meld together and create a powerful infusion. Step 6. Strain and bottle. After 2 weeks, strain the liquid through a fine sieve or cheesecloth, removing all the solids. Pour the filtered liquid into bottles. Step 7. Experiment and enjoy. Your homemade herbal bitters are now ready to be used in cocktails or as a digestive aid. Be creative and try different combinations. Thanks for watching our step-by-step guide on crafting your own herbal bitters. We hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting DIY projects and recipes. Cheers! Unlock the natural power. How to make herbal bitters. Imagine a world where wellness is within arm's reach, right in your kitchen cupboard. Welcome to the exciting, ancient tradition of making your own herbal bitters. Herbal bitters are a blend of botanicals historically consumed for their health benefits. They support digestion, balance gut flora, and help curb sugar cravings. Today, you'll learn how to make them at your own pace. Start by gathering high-quality, organic herbs. Dandelion root, gentian root, and burdock root are popular choices. Make sure you research each plant's properties to ensure they cater to your needs. The next ingredient is high-proof alcohol. Vodka is a common choice due to its neutral flavor. It's effective in extracting the plant's beneficial compounds and preserving them. To start the process, finely chop or grind your herbs. This increases the surface area for alcohol to extract the maximum amount of beneficial compounds. Place your herbs in a clean, dry jar. Pour the alcohol over the herbs until they're completely submerged. Secure the lid tightly, and you're ready for the infusion stage. Store the jar in a cool, dark place for about 2 to 4 weeks. The longer it sits, the more potent it becomes. Give it a good shake every few days to aid the infusion process. After the waiting period, strain the mixture using a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth. Make sure to squeeze out every drop of liquid. That's where the potency lies. What's left is your potent, homemade herbal bitter. Store it in a clean amber bottle to protect it from light. Don't forget to label it with the date and the ingredients you used. Ingest your bitter about 15-30 minutes before meals. You can either take it straight or add it to a bit of water. Start with small doses and adjust according to your body's response. Making your own herbal bitters is empowering. It connects you with nature and puts your health back into your own hands. Enjoy the process, trust your instincts, and unlock the natural power within.